Historically, procedures used to test for and identify allergies have been perceived by patients as time-consuming and painful. Allergies cause enough discomfort for patients, and the testing for allergies doesn't have to. The Comfort 10 multiple skin test system can make the whole process fast and more comfortable for the patient. Many skin test devices have plastic tips with multiple tines that can cause unnecessary trauma to the skin. Comfort 10 features 10 single surgical steel lancet tips, which creates minimal skin trauma for comfortable allergy testing. The Comfort 10 system consists of 3 components: the Comfort 10 skin test device, the quin-tip reservoirs that hold the extracts, and the stackable 30-hole covered tray with spacers for optional use. As you'll see, the process is simple. Prior to skin testing, a tray with allergenic extracts is set up. Each Comfort 10 covered tray is supplied with self-adhesive labels and spacers. Each label strip has 5 designated areas corresponding to the reservoirs. Write the name of each antigen in the space provided. The reservoirs are provided in a sterile pouch of 30. Just peel back the label and snap a reservoir into each hole of the tray. Fill the appropriate reservoir with the extract. Each tray includes 3 optional use spacers. If used, the spacers allow you to dispense approximately 20 drops of extract into the reservoir versus 12 drops without the spacers. This increases the number of tests before having to refill the reservoirs. Store the unused spacers in the slots provided on the tray. Remove a Comfort 10 device from the blister pack. Carefully pick up the device by the handle so as not to touch any part of the legs or the lancet tips, and place the tips in the pre-filled reservoirs. Be sure the device is placed with the small indented circle on the device pointing towards the orientation spot on the tray. The test area on the patient, either the arm or the back, is cleaned with alcohol and allowed to dry. Remove the device slowly from the prepared tray, being careful not to touch the tips on the reservoirs or spacer. To assure that test extracts are applied to the proper test sites, always place the test device handle with the small indented circle plus the numbers 1 and 6 facing upward and toward the patient's head. With the Comfort 10 perpendicular to the skin, press down on the skin with medium pressure. While maintaining this pressure, slightly tilt the device once to the right and then to the left, while ensuring that all 10 lancets remain in contact with the skin. Remove by lifting vertically and discard the Comfort 10. The result is a comfortable experience that can make what might otherwise be a scary doctor visit much less frightening. Faint circles created by the depth control guards, about 4 millimeters in diameter, will be seen at the test site indicating the correct amount of pressure was applied. When used as described, the Comfort 10 device will produce 10 uniform skin tests each at the proper depth without causing any bleeding. To store the filled tray, place unused Comfort 10 devices in the reservoirs and keep refrigerated. Within just 10 minutes, the histamine positive control is read, and at 15 minutes, the allergens are ready to be evaluated. When using the Comfort 10 skin test device, skin test wheels of 3 millimeters or greater are true reactions, not complicated by test site trauma. A positive skin reaction to any allergenic extract must be interpreted in light of the patient's history of symptoms, time of year, and known allergen exposures. Reference the Comfort 10 and allergenic extract package inserts for more information. The Comfort 10, our latest development in allergy devices, designed to diagnose allergies in a comfortable and effective manner.